flexible, but the chips are impeccable. Chips Ahoy is here for it. Use the trick shot. Fail, but you slip towards some chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When the shot is squishy, but you want that chocolate chippy. Chips Ahoy is here for it. When it's trapped on repeat, but you pause for the chocolate. Chips Ahoy is here for it.
Man, it's not easy being so delicious. Wait, don't skip. Because you're gonna miss out on these snacks. Let's feature chocolate chips. Big time? Wait, what?
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Wait, don't skip. There's snacks. New course. Got it. Found it.
Chips Ahoy is here. Here for happy.
Chips Ahoy wants me to announce the delicious new cookie with Hershey's milk chocolate. So just imagine all this, but with chunks of all that. Can you get a visual? New Chips Ahoy cookies made with Hershey's milk chocolate.